If you have a Yamaha FSH jet boat and you fish saltwater and you don't know how to flush your engine, I'm going to show you how to do it and explain it to you like a 5-year-old. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to look for under this hatch should be this thing. Once you find this thing, you need to connect it to your water hose. Once you've connected the thing to the water hose, you need to open up this hatch. This thing will plug in to this hole. There are pegs on the side of the thing that allow you to slide it in, turn, and it's locked. The next step, which you have to do, shut the lid to the hatch, or this whole process won't even happen. What do I mean by that? I'll show you. This button here, if it's not pressed down by the lid to the hatch, the motor will not fire. All right, next step, we turn the motor on. In this step, you'll turn the motor on and then immediately jump off the boat and turn on the water. It has to be in this order. So now you'll let the fresh water start to run through the engine. Let it run for about a minute or two. And after that minute or two, you want to turn the water back off. And then I'll show you the next step. Okay, so it's been about a minute. I'm now going to turn the water off, hop back on my boat, give the motor some gas to try to push out any remaining water out of the motor, and that's it. So the water's off. Just going to give it a little gas. And that's how you flush your Yamaha FSH jet boat motor when you've been out fishing in saltwater. Just remember, once you're done, if you push in, this should pop right out. And then you just really want to make sure that you know exactly where this thing is. So next time you need to flush your motor, you'll be able to find it. I like to keep it right here next to my poppers. It's a convenient place. It's always there. There's no way it's going to go anywhere. I hope this video was helpful.